which, even as we speak, darkens our domain under a moldy tarp. You do know the car of which I speak?
Yeah, I just never...
Let me refresh your memory. Cast your mind back. It's a crisp September morning. You borrowed $200 from me to purchase the car, mainly because your girlfriend, Beth, said it was, I believe the term was, tasty. Since then, that tasty car has slept in an auto cocoon on my front lawn.
I'll get around to it.
Lane, have you seen the new exchange student who's staying at the Smith's house? Perhaps you should go over and welcome her to our town. I think that she would like that.
Mrs. Smith probably got her so that weirdo son of theirs can see what a real girl looks like. You know, he never goes outdoors. Just sits in that house, crochets all day long.
The Chapmans had their exchange student stay with them for 6 months. He practically became a son to Jules and Irene.
You mean that kid from El Salvador?
Can I be excused? I'm not feeling well. I'm just gonna be excused. I can't figure it out, Badger. I mean, you seem like a smart kid. Why do you waste your time with all this kid stuff garbage? And you're almost 8.